Communication is very vital in healthcare because it will ensure us that the standardized care is provided to the patient.
We're dealing with patients' lives, and most of the time we're relaying information and we're relating data.
You've got to get lots of information about patients between lots of different teams and healthcare providers as well. And if that communication breaks down, that's where you start getting problems and conflict arising.
Like delays in procedures, delay in treatments.
If we forgot something, it usually creates a problem, usually creates readmission for the patients and failed discharges.
To care for a person, you have to do it holistically, and it also allows me to build the relationships with multidisciplinary teams, and that way we could get to take care of the patients in a more personal level.
It helps with the patient flow, it helps with the referral system, and it helps with our documentation as well.
We've been sharing really important information regarding patient care.
We use it to photograph any patient's skin problems.
Most of the staff nurses, the doctors, our managers, the occupational therapists and the physiotherapists are included in the app. We're taking pictures using the app, sending it especially weekends where the manager is not in, and then managers can automatically see it in their spare time.
The assessment team gets to tell us when the patient's around without having to call us in our office. It could just be anywhere in the hospital. It allows me the freedom to actually come in anytime and see the patient.
Made it a lot easier for us to get hold of each other, especially in between caseloads, and it's quite nice not having our bleeps go off when we're with the patient. In terms of ease of use, it's very simple because I'd initially suggested WhatsApp, which is not a secure line.
Basically, if you compare it with the normal apps that you've been using outside the hospital, outside work, it's just basically the same, it's just more secured.
I managed to just get my NHS email on it immediately and then just set up a password.
I'm not very great with all these technologies coming up, but once I've started using it, it's just easy.
The idea being as many people as possible are on it, you can kind of avoid the archaic bleep system.
But yeah, I find it really useful. Every day I use it.
So it really helps us a lot. Yeah, really.